A body weighs 20 GF in air. Weight in air is 20 and in water 18 GF. Calculate relative density of the body. Relative density of the body is weight in air upon upon loss of weight. So 20 upon 20 minus 18. 20 upon 2 equals to 10. Right. Weight in air upon weight loss in weight, which is WA minus weight in water. Completed 12th?
Yes.
13. A body, a solid weighs 1.5 kgf in air. And 0.9 kgf in liquid. Density of liquid is 1.2 into 10 raised to 3 kg meter raised to minus 3. What is relative density of solid? Relative density of solid is weight in air upon loss of weight in liquid into density of liquid. If it is other than water, we multiply with density of liquid. 1.5 upon 1.5 minus 0.9 into 1.2 into 10 raised to 3. So 1.5 upon 0.6, 1.2 into 10 raised to 3.
Three into 10 raised to 3.
No, 0.6 into 2. 0.6 into
I am telling the final answer. 3 into 10 raised to 3.
Okay. 3 into 10 raised to 3. Some mistake we have done?
No, how? Because 1.5 into 2 becomes 3.
That is okay. Density, relative density. Oh, this is relative density of liquid. So this will be upon water's density.
हाँ, upon 10 raised to 3.
That's
Therefore,
upon
10 raised
10
to
raised
3
to
gets
3,
cancelled.
10 raised to 3, 10 raised to 3. This 10 raised to 3 will become free. So answer is 3. Right. So whenever it is density of liquid, we have to multiply with, in formula, relative density of liquid. Yes, completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 14. Samek, read 14. Yes, Samek, read 14. Read sum number 14.
Yeah, sir, just a second.
सर सॉरी मैं म्यूट पे बोल रहा हूँ. A jeweler claims that
Jeweler claims that
Amen.
he.
Hello.
हाँ,
read.
हाँ. A jeweler claims that.
हाँ बोल भव्य बोल बोल
हाँ, तू बोल ले, तू बोल.
मैं म्यूट पे बोल रहा था एक्चुअली इतनी देर से.
Okay.
Oh,
क्या
sorry.
सर? A jeweler claims that he makes ornaments of pure gold of relative density 19.3. He sells a bangle weighing 25.25 GF to a person. The clever customer weighs the bangle when immersed in water and finds that it is 23.05 GF in water, 0.75 GF in water. With the help of suitable calculations, find out whether the ornament is made of pure gold or not.
Okay. And in bracket, they are telling no. See, read. Again, I'm reading. A jeweler claims that he makes ornament of pure gold of relative density 19.3. Who is claiming this?
Jeweler.
Jeweler. He sells the bangle weighing 25.25 to the person. This 25.25 GF weight is in air or in liquid or in water?
In air.
In air. वो अपना शॉप में air में weigh करके. The clever customer weighs the bangle when immersed in water and find the weight in water as 23.075 GF. With the help of suitable calculation, find whether the ornament is made up of pure gold or not.
Sir, from this we'll
If I
find out.
calculate, if that value doesn't come 19.3, that means it's not pure. So by calculation, not by claiming, by calculation, relative density is weight in air upon loss of weight, which is 25.25 upon 25.25 minus 23.075 0.075. So 25.25 upon 10 minus 5 is 5. 14 minus 7 will become 7. 1 minus 0, 1. This is 24 minus 23, 1. Can you divide this by 5? 0.5 into 2 is 10. 5 into 3, 15. 5 into 5, 25. 5 into 5, 25. 2 is not divisible, 0. 5 into 1, 5. Now I'm removing the decimal. 501 upon 100. This 235. This will be 1000. 1, 2, 1, 2, 0 cancel. So 501 into 10 upon, yes, still I can cancel by
Coming, हाँ 11 point
5 into
कुछ.
4 is 20. 5 into 7, 35. 5 into 2 is 10. So this becomes 2, 0. 5 into 2, 10 upon 47. Divide this in rough. Tell what is the answer.
Sir, 1 second.
Yes, just
Sir, around 11.6.
you are getting 11.6.
Yeah, sir.
Sir, 1 second. I'm finding. No, sir, not 11.6.
25.25 in air.
मुझे.
Pardon?
हाँ नहीं sir, I'm telling that only, like first only digit I'm getting 2.
Yes.
Yeah, sir, it is coming around 21.3
21.3 or 21.4 वैसा
Okay.
कुछ है.
You all, please write the data first. Write the data.
Yeah, sir, 21.3 it is coming.
23 point, 1 minute. 25.25 numerator. Denominator is weight in air minus weight in water.
21.3.
23 point, that subtraction. I'm just checking whether we have done perfect or there is some issue.
हाँ sir, 21.32 आ रहा है. 331, sorry, 31. Which is rounded up to 21.3.
हाँ,
No.
21.3.
No, but they have given he is for calculate the material of bangle which comes out to be 11.6 बोला है ना वो लोग ब्रैकेट में. You all calculate this much. Let me check. This is coming 2.17. 2.175. So it will become 5 into 420. Remember 1, 5 into 420, 0.4. It's calculation error. 0.5 into 420.
Yeah, sir, it is coming 11.6.
0.5 into 420. 5 into 315. Remember 2, 5 into 525. 501 upon 100 into 1000 upon 435. Cancel 2 zeros. Now 5 into 2 is 10. 5 cubes are 30. 5 into 7. So 1, 2, 0 upon 87. Now you get perfect. One zero zero two divided by 87.
Yeah, sir. This it is coming 11.6.
Yes, this is coming 11.51. 11.51 के आसपास आया ना?
No, no, 11.60.
11.60 है बेटा. I'm
हाँ,
getting
11.609 ऐसा कुछ आगे जाता है.
नहीं, मैं तो अभी कैलकुलेटर से कर रहा हूँ. I'm getting 1002
हाँ सर, मैं भी कैलकुलेटर से ही कर रहा हूँ.
divided by 87. 11.51 it is showing in my calculator.
Sir, in my calculator it's 11.51.
So 11.51.
अरे ऐसे कैसे?
Therefore, gold is not pure because he is telling 19.3, but after calculation it is coming 11.51.
Sir, what if we divide directly 25.25 upon 2.175?
Same answer will come na, even if you do.
Sir, from that I am getting this. 25.25 divided by
सर मेरे साथ भी वैसे हुआ इसके पिछले वाले में, जो आपने गलती से 2 नहीं लिखा था ना या 1 लिखा था उसकी जगह पे, तभी मैंने किया ना तो 21.789 आ रहा था, फिर बाद में आपने एंडिंग का दिखाया ना तो तभी मेरा 21.3 आ रहा था.
Yes, yes, 25.25 divided with 2 point, we are getting that much. Correct. ठीक है, you are not going to hide the answer ना? अब ठीक है. Can I clear this now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, 15. A piece of iron weighs 44.5 GF in air. Density of iron is 8.9 into 10 raised to 3 kg meter raised to minus 3. Find the weight of iron when immersed in water. Relative density is weight in air upon weight in water. Relative density means density of iron upon density of water is weight in air upon weight in loss of weight. So this is 8.9 into 10 raised to 3 upon 10 raised to 3, 44.5 upon 44.5 minus 80 watt. Can you cancel by anything? Both sides, can we cancel by anything?
Five sir. Sir, 5 sir.
No, by 5 how it will cancel both sides?
सर वैसे नहीं 8.9 into 5.
0.9 cancel कर दो.
अच्छा, directly 8.9 you are telling. Good. 5 into, yes, perfect. 5 9s are 45, 5 8s are 40. Perfect. So weight in water will become 44.5 minus 5. That will become 39.5, correct?
Yes.
39.5. Now see, important is they have given density, but formula is relative density. Relative density is density with respect to water.
Sir, here units are okay na because it was going to get cancelled only.
Because ratio it is there, no? Therefore it will get cancelled. What is thrust?
The force acting acting normal to the surface.
What is 1 torr?
1 torr is 1 mm of Hg.
What is 1 atmospheric pressure?
The pressure that
No, I want in terms of torque.
okay, 760 torr.
Okay. What is 1 Pascal?
The force exerted on an area of 1 meter square by a thrust of 1 meter of 1 Newton acting normal to the surface, acting normally to it.
Okay. 1 atmospheric pressure is how many Pa?
How many?
Pa.
1.013 into 10 raised to 5 pascals.
Perfect. Sum number 16. A piece of stone having mass of 15.1 g, mass means weight in air, 15.1 g, F because we are writing weight, when immersed in liquid, is first immersed in liquid and it weighs 10.9 gf. On immersing the piece of stone in water, it weighs 9.7 gf. Calculate the weight of stone in air. Okay, this was given mass, they want weight in air.
But in last time they have given answer in grams.
No, it is okay. They wanted weight only. No, mass they have not given. That is wrong.
Okay,
The
sir.
mass then gram was perfect. Here it is mass given first.
Uh,
Find weight in air. Volume of the piece of stone. Relative density of that stone. Then relative density of liquid. Again, it is formula based. If you know the formula, all values you can find by calculation. Weight in air is nothing but mass expressed in GF. So weight in air is nothing but mass expressed in GF. First part. Weight in air equals to 15.1 GF. First part we got. Volume. To get volume, can I go by loss of weight method? Weight in air minus weight in water is density of water into volume.
yes, sir.
So 15.1 minus 10.9 density of water 1 into volume V. 10 minus 11 minus 9 is 10.9. Weight in water kitna 9.7. 9.7. So 11 minus 7 is 4. 14 minus 9 is 5 equal to V. So volume is 5.4 centimeter cube. Copy the 2 point.
Yeah, sir. Done.
Relative density of solid, then relative density of liquid.
So relative density of solid by that weight in air minus that formula.
Yes.
But weight in water.
Relative density of solid is equals to weight in air upon loss of weight in water.
Sir, if weight of air was and water was given in kgf, then we would have to multiply it with 1000, na?
Where
For relative density.
this density will take 10 raised to 3. Relative density is the ratio, so it will not change.
Oh, correct.
15.4 minus 9.7, 15.1 upon 5.4. Divide this in rough and tell the answer.
Sir, around 2 point कुछ आ रहा है.
Just check.
Two 2.79.
2.79. We can approximate this as 2.9, 2.8. Next, relative density of liquid is weight in air minus weight in liquid upon weight in air minus weight in water. (15.5) minus 10.9, 15.1 minus 9.7. Will be 10 minus 9, 11 minus 9, 2, 4 minus 0, 4, 4.2. Then denominator is 5.4.
5.4.
That is 42 upon 54. 2 into 27, 2 into 21. 3 into 9, 3 into 7.
0.7 recurring आ रहा है.
0.7 recurring, you can write as 7. 0.7, you can write that recurring.
Yes, sir.
No. Yeah. Completed?
Yeah, sir.
Can you tell me what is density defined as?
Mass per unit volume. Weight.
Mass per unit volume is called as density. Mass per unit volume is called as density. Write this formula 5 times first. Relative density of liquid. Write 5 times, otherwise you'll forget. Is weight in air minus weight in liquid upon weight in air
Weight in air
minus
upon
weight in water. Write this 5 times. Relative density of liquid is weight in air minus weight in liquid upon weight in air minus weight in water. Weight in air minus weight in liquid upon weight in air minus weight in water. Write 5 times. Relative density of liquid equals to weight in air minus weight in liquid upon weight in air minus weight in water. Five times, right? Please, but otherwise you'll forget.